Sometimes I wonder now, was it me? Sometimes it gets a little hard to breathe. It's funny how 3 hours drive can kill the fantasy. And then I wonder now, was it me?
Please look double click.